guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like so you won't miss out whenever I upload. So in today's video, I will be opening my very first Elite Trainer box, and it has a Mew in the front. And this is my very first Elite Trainer box opening. I never opened one, and let's get started. Okay, so let me open it. Okay. Oh my god, this is. Well, I never opened one of these. Okay, so I got it unpacked. There's this little notebook. I don't know what it's for, but ooh, there's Pokemon. Okay, I'll go through this later. Okay, so I got this. Okay. Wow. What is this? Wow. This is cool. Look, they're like those, I don't know what they're called, but they have a bunch of little designs of Mew. Okay, I'm gonna put those right, I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, let's see how much booster packs I have. I see there's a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's 8 of those.
Mama's gonna stay here, Mom.
Mama's gonna sit there and watch? Okay. We got some energies. Batman. Okay, go sit down. Okay, there's some energies.
That's nice, Nathan.
Nice.
That's nice, Mama.
I have a bunch of sleeves.
Nathan, look.
Yeah.
You got this was Nathan?
Yeah. I got some Mew sleeves.
That's nice, Nathan.
I got some little coins. I got some dice. And then I got this little booklet thing. I don't know what it is. But let's get straight into opening the packs. Okay, so let me open the package. Okay, let me rip it. Okay. Get that. Let me do a card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay. I got LA's Sparkle. I think that's what it's called. Dreadnought. I don't know how to pronounce this one, but it looks pretty cool. I got Toxel Fusion Strike. I got Tontilly, I think. I got Rapid Strike Binary. I got Clobopus. And for Hollowware, Wooloo, and Arquanid. Put those all over here. Center in the next pack. Okay, code card. Okay, got this one. Wait, this one. This one. This is Caterpie. This one. Eevee. Voltorb. Larian. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Fighting Energy. Primeape. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Bugcatcher for the last one. Okay. Next pack. Okay. And I almost got it. Got it. Okay. I don't like this pack. I can't take it out. There. Okay. Okay. This one. This one. This one. This one. Manatee. Electric. Culver Knight. Leaf Energy. Battle VIP pass. This one, and this one for the ending. Okay, gold card. Okay, so I got this one, this one, this one, this one, Caterpie, this one, Slugma, Galarian, this one, I got this one twice, Fighting Energy, Fusion Strike, that, Simage, and this one. Okay, next pack. Hey, this one looks cool. Hopefully it's good luck. Wait. Code card. Do the card trick. Fire Energy. Metapod. Battle VIP Pass. This one. This one. This one. Stuffle. This one. Toxel. Oyster Rapid Strike. And this one. Okay. I gotta open it some other way. Try it this way. Okay. Gold card. Okay. Sidekick Energy. Rockdale. This one. This one. This one. Eevee. Sphinx. Shelmet. This one. Quick Ball. And this one, Rapid Strike. Okay. This one's kind of good. Next pack, another three. Okay. Oh, let's get stuck. Okay. Pull card. Okay, card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Metal Energy. This one, Single Strike. Zoroark. Simpor. Quillfish. Vulpix. Chansey. A Galarian, this one. Mankey. Another Zoroark Hollow. And this one. Okay. Okay. Last pack. Hopefully this one is good luck. Hopefully. This one has to be good luck. Hopefully. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good luck. Hopefully. Water Energy. Endless Grass, Power Tablet, Beware, Semgly, Quillfish, Trinamo, Galarian Meowth, Grasser, Morpeko, this one, and Mew V. Wow, this is nice. It's just like on the box, like a Mew and a Mew card. How good does that look? Oh, and also I got a Mewtwo. I'll show you guys in a bit, but first, let me just open these little things. Get one out. And just put that little Mew in. Wow. This is cool. I got another Mewtwo that I'll show you guys in a bit, but this looks super good. Wow. And I can put it with my rare tin. I'll go bring it. Wait, here. So this is the mutant I was talking about. It's super cool. Wait, let me just move these to the side. Let me open it up. Right here. My gold. And then all of my rares. This is my brother Eli. It's just I'm saving it for him. And then, yeah, it'll match really good. Wait, where's the card? It'll match super good with my other cards. Right in. It looks super good. Well, I hope you guys liked watching my video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!